take this opportunity to thank Mr. Varun Jain in helping me become a CPA, and also and wish to congratulate Varun Jain, Meenakshi Jain, and the entire Miles team for completing 10 years of a successful journey, and hope there is many more to come.
Congratulations, Varun Jain, Meenakshi Jain, and Miles for completing 10 years. Thank you for all the support and all the knowledge that you've given over these years. It does make a difference.
I just like to congratulate Mr. Varun Jain and the entire Miles team for completing the 10 years. It has been a tough and a successful journey, I would say. I wish you a very, very happy and successful life, Mr. Varun Jain. And thank you for making others' life also successful.
Heartiest congratulations and wishing all the best to Varun and Meenakshi for achieving this milestone, and all the best for the future.
Hi, Mr. Varun Jain and Mrs. Meenakshi Jain and Miles team. A very happy 10 years anniversary. Journey with the Miles is always amazing, and congratulations on your 10th anniversary and more way to go.
Wishing Mr. Varun Jain, Meenakshi Jain and the Miles team a very happy 10-year anniversary.
I recently heard that the Miles team have completed 10 years of excellent journey. So I'm really want to congratulate Mr. Varun Jain, Meenakshi Jain for this remarkable journey of 10 years. You guys have done it, and wish you guys to go many more years in the future, and all the best for your future endeavors.
Happy 10-year anniversary, Mr. Varun Jain, Ms. Meenakshi Jain, and the Miles team.
Wishing Varun Jain, Meenakshi Jain, and the entire Miles family a great 10th year anniversary. There are still miles to go and feats to achieve. Congrats.